Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write text into table cell in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Apple Keynote software. Then open your Keynote presentation. Then firstly, go to the slide, select a slide. You can choose any slide. Now I'm going to my fourth slide and go to the table menu and insert a plain table. Now select the table and move the table. Now firstly select a cell and double click on the cell and you can write anything. You can write any cell. Now write this cell. Now double click on the cell and write a cell. You can align, right, center, left, everything. And now firstly, now in case the text. Now firstly select the text and in case the cell text. Now select center align. Now you can see write text into table cell in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.